Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be reviewing PCEX Exchange. So whether this cryptocurrency exchange is legit or not, let's just try to find out today. So this is PCX.com website that claims to be a cryptocurrency exchange for trading Bitcoin, Ethereum and other crypto assets. But whether it is legit or not, let's break it down. So first of all, PCX has no regulatory approval from the authorities like FCA or ASIC. In fact, according to the reports, it is suggested that FCA has already flagged it as fraudulent, which is a major red flag. The second thing is that the platform falsely claims to be older than it actually is, while its privacy policy says that it was launched in May 2023, but the domain record shows that it was only registered in the month of August 2024, which is just a few months ago. So this kind of deception is also a common scam in the cryptocurrency space. Lastly, PCX display a registration certificate, but closer inspection suggests that it was also altered. The blurry and unclear image raises doubts about its authenticity. So, with no regulatory approvals and false claims and questionable certificate, it is quite feasible that this particular exchange is not as reputable as the other ones. So if you want to start your cryptocurrency journey, I would highly recommend to go with the exchanges that are already there in the market for a lot of time, and you should just go with the trusted one only. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.